to Holmes Homestead, and today we have some exciting news. We are going to the meetup to meet Justin Rhodes and family on their Great American Farm Tour in Sweet Home today. So we're so excited. We're going to get ready for that. But first, chores. So let's go. Sissy, chores are all done. Good girl. All right, chores are all done for the morning. Now it's time to get ready, get Logan from school, and make the drive over to Sweet Home to see the Rhodes family. We are so excited. I can't even tell you. I'm gonna fangirl out, I swear. All right, we'll see you soon. Hi guys, we just got Logan. Say hi, Logan.
Hi.
And we are about ready to get on the road to drive to Sweet Home so that we can hang out a little bit, play at the park, and meet the Rhodes family. So let's go.
God, this... Man, they didn't blink the cannon. This thing's hard to move. Right here. Come on.
Sissy's got it down.
Yep, there.
Oh, here's another one on the other side, Logan.
What?
There's one on the other side, too.
Oh, yeah. God, that's hard.
Just waiting on the meetup, and it looks like a lot of people are showing up. Starting our meet and greet. We just got some pictures with Rebecca and Justin. A lot of people showed up. Huh. You happy, girl?
Alright, so tell me the gal
Who's the famous person, Mr. Brown?
They both are. They're famous. Look at, she's going, he is. No, you're famous too, Lily.
Who's this guy?
Keep taking pictures. Don't talk. Take a picture. This guy is Mr. Dragon. What's your name? Logan.
I found the camera right away.
That's because you're so smart.
hardiness approach, y'all, from here, okay? YouTubers. And then the urban gardener. The urban gardener on YouTube. So you got some YouTubers here. You guys can keep it each other. You all met each other. Make sure you meet each other. Make sure you pay attention when I do this, so you can see where everybody's from and sign this list. Because what happens is you guys come to meet us. It's great. We all meet and have fun. But then hopefully you go away with a friend or two. Okay. So this is our fifth child right here. We like to call it.
Okay guys, we're gonna finish the video here. We've had a great time. The Rhodes family is so nice, answered so many questions for so many people. The kids had fun playing, meeting all the Rhodes kids. Logan was over the moon. It was a great time. So excited we got to do this. So until next time.